the CUK MPG Trident by MSI Gaming. This is so MSI's pre-built systems. You're generally paying a little bit more for the brand name. So, MSI being one of the more competitive gaming brands out there. Let's see if this competes. Is it i9? We'll look this one up. 64 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD plus 2 terabyte HDD. That's a great combo. And you get the 3090 in here. So that's good. You're getting a 3090. You're getting the top GPU. Where does that Intel processor run in? That's a 10900. The system looks damn cool though. It's very compact. It's a very unique design. I think it looks very, very cool. It would sit on your desktop very nicely. Kind of nice. The centerpiece of gaming. Here's a little bit more of a look at it. You actually see the graphics card tilted to its side so that the airflow comes out. Normally you see them standing vertically, and so that the air is being pushed down and out of the system. This is just coming straight out the side.
Gaming creators, really quick, before you do anything else, enter to win our Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, $1,100 in gear. We're giving away for $0. Link in the description below. It includes this exact audio setup you hear me on right now. It's the one we use on the podcast every single day. If you want to sound this good, this is live, by the way. This is not an edited video. This is the way it actually sounds. Let me just show you the bundle. It's freaking amazing. The bundle includes this microphone, shock mount, and boom arm. Plus, it includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which is arguably the best creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license if you want to help grow that YouTube channel faster. Plus, our friends over at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow your stream faster. Rode hookup, TubeBuddy hookup, Restream hookup. They all just wanted to give you guys gear to help you succeed and software to help you succeed for free. So here you go. Link in the description below. Enter for your chance to win. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you guys can maybe pick this package up and increase your quality and increase your chances of growing faster with the tools and gear that we use every single day to grow, and hopefully you can use to grow as well. Link below. Go do it. Thank you.